Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your tutor, Disha. Today, I'll be describing a special type of lipid. This is our third of 5 videos in our Aspects of Biochemistry series. Cape Biology Unit 1 students, get your thinking caps on and stay tuned. What do butter, avocados, and salmon have in common? They're all delectable foods, but importantly, they're made up of lipids, a class of macromolecules characterized by being insoluble in water, hydrophobic, and soluble in nonpolar organic solvents like ethers. Today, I will explore the structure of a versatile lipid. Yes, triglycerides. Triglycerides. Tri means 3. And glyceride here could mean that there is a glycerol in its structure. Indeed, a triglyceride is made up of a glycerol molecule, which is an alcohol, connected to 3 fatty acids. How are they connected? By a ester linkage. How is this triglyceride formed? From the condensation reaction between the glycerol and the fatty acids with the liberation of water. Wow, an incredible molecule. Now, triglycerides are special in that they're mainly used for storing energy in the body. Take a look at the structure of a typical carbohydrate here. Here I have D-glucose. D-glucose because the hydroxyl groups are mainly concentrated on the right of the molecule. And you learn more about this in chemistry when you talk about isomerism. Also, there are 5 hydroxyl groups in this compound. Wow, that means that this carbohydrate here must be highly soluble. Now over to the triglycerides. As you can see, there are no hydroxyl groups. There are numerous C to C and C to H bonds, right? So we would say that this structure is highly hydrophobic. It is insoluble. Now, what's the significance of this? The significance of this hydrophobicity in the triglyceride molecule allows it to be closely packed together without having hydroxyl or water molecules in its structure, right? This means that triglycerides are well suited for energy content than carbohydrates. Secondly, the hydrophobicity of the triglyceride allows it to be pretty much inert in the body. Yes, so it won't partake in the metabolic reactions and it won't affect the cell's osmotic balance. Let us talk about the fatty acid structure of the triglyceride. The attached fatty acids may be saturated, meaning they have no double bonds, arranged in straight chains. They may also be unsaturated, which 2 or more double bonds between the carbons in their structure. This will disrupt its linearity, making the change more kinked or bent. So the greatest packing advantage would therefore be found in the saturated fatty acid chains. Now, triglycerides reside in a special type of cell in the body called the adipocyte cell, and they make up what is called the adipose tissue. And when the cell needs additional energy to fuel biochemical reactions, then triglycerides are recruited and oxidized for energy. Now, apart from supplying energy to fuel biochemical reactions in the body, triglycerides have several other functions, to include making up structures that are involved in cell-to-cell communication and cushioning organs like the heart and the kidney, preventing them from injuries. Even though triglycerides are of such importance, foods containing this type of lipid must be consumed in moderation. As a matter of fact, a diet high in triglycerides will result in excessive storage in the adipose tissues. And this can result in obesity, and it does not stop there. Triglycerides can move to unwanted areas in the body, for example, blood vessels, and that can lead to conditions like atherosclerosis or coronary heart disease, which leads to other conditions like stroke and heart attack. All right, guys, that's it with triglycerides. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for our 2 final videos in the Aspects of Biochemistry series, which will cover the phospholipid bilayer and proteins. Bye.